On April 8, 2024, a total solar eclipse will darken the skies in one of nature's most awe-inspiring shows. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, casting a shadow on the Earth that either fully or partially blocks the sun's light in some areas. In northern New Hampshire, the skies will dim, temperatures will drop, and the country will pause to watch as the moon passes over the light of the sun, completely blocking its light for 3 minutes and 15 seconds. The last time New Hampshire was in the direct path of a solar eclipse was in 1959. After this year, the next solar eclipse will be in 2079. I am always interested in the symbolic meaning of events, since that is where its meaning reveals itself. The sun is a symbol of who we consciously know ourselves to be. The moon is a symbol of our unconscious, a hidden, feeling part of us that is always affecting us, but we are not usually aware of. It holds feelings that we have long forgotten and often buried memories from past lives. If we think about the gift that this year's eclipse offers us, we see that we are receiving an opportunity to open ourselves fully to what is always affecting us unconsciously. Then we can observe its effect on us and understand our reactions. When the eclipse arrives, observe all the feelings it evokes in you. As you open yourself to what you are being shown, you may want to take notes on your reactions. Then let them sit within you in the coming days and months to help you learn keys that will help you find greater inner peace. The message may be letting you know what you have been blocking, as well as opening the keys to how to feel greater inner peace and joy. Since this eclipse occurs when both the sun and moon are in the sign of Aries and in the month of Aries, it asks us to observe what buried parts of us make us feel worried, afraid, impatient. Impatience is merely our lack of faith in life, our need to know something immediately without understanding we will have our answers when the time is exactly right. This part of us needs to learn to move forward more slowly, trusting in our intuitive and divine guidance. Whenever we observe anger or impatience in others, we must lead by example. Our Aries energy also reveals what makes us feel passionate and excited. It asks us to open ourselves to uncover the good that comes from every opportunity. Our Aries energy also teaches us to find our own unique, inventive answers, the inventive solutions that are right for us. We know that the Earth is experiencing a time of major change, and that we will have our answers to our questions when the timing is perfect. We have to practice being flexible and understand what each challenge is asking us. Rather than to yield to our fear of the unknown, we are asking ourselves to wait patiently and to move forward only when the path is clear. In this month of Aries, we are asked to learn something from each new challenge and to open ourselves to discover the good that is coming from every opportunity. May we enjoy fully the gifts of this special spring month.